Welcome all to Arabic Airlines today, and now we have a chopper instead of a plane. Wow. But anyway, let's fly this bad boy over to where we wanna kill a jihad. Yeah, there's no way for me to make this sound any better than jihad. 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 Seppuku. And that's how you successfully land a helicopter. You want to have it flipped, like a pancake. Well, let's restart this and try to fly more than crash. But then again, jihad is on my back. Okay, well let's do this again, shall we? Let's water together, okay? Oh shit, that was a mistake. Okay, this tree may have hurt my family. May have raped me. Pretty sure it just did. And now we're back in. Let's go, kiddos. As you see, we have the wonderful German helicopters. This is a Bundeswehr, or however you pronounce that word. It isn't jihad, so I have no fucking clue to pronounce it. And it's not cheeky breeky, so Elmo cheeky breeky danke. Oh. Hi, tree. Oh, I'm unconscious, but what? Oh, shit. Oh, so that's what you get for sleeping on the job while you're flying a helicopter, you see? So now we're in. And what you want to do, you want to go up, okay? So just cram that button until you're up in the sky. And then what you want to do is you want to do something like this. Loop-de-loop, motherfucker. And that's how you complete a loop-de-loop. Yeah, that's part of jihad training. Oh wait, not the city. We were not supposed to go toward the city. We were supposed to go toward the school HQ. Oh guys, I'm sorry I missed it, but so well, that's basically it, guys. See, I've turned into the building itself now. So have a nice time trying to crack this building open. It won't crack easily, you just gotta keep hitting it. But see, I am now the building, so do not hurt the jihad building, you motherfucker. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and the shooting in the background from my chopper. So I'll see you later.